Hello, this video is about the use of negative exponents. The negative exponent means to take the reciprocal. It means the inverse. It also means that you move a variable term up or down and change the sign of the exponent. So if it's in the numerator and it's negative, it would be positive in the denominator, and vice versa. So let's do a couple examples. 2 to the negative 1. The negative means bring down 2 to the first power, which then can be simplified as just 1 over 2. X to the negative 2. The negative means bring it down, change the sign to a positive 2. But notice the overall sign of the actual number or variable term, it's still a positive if it started out as a positive. The only thing that changes is the sign of the exponent, not the sign of the number. So for this one, x to the fourth, that's a positive, so that stays on the top. The only thing that changes is the y to the negative 3. The negative means bring it down, and it's y cubed, like there. Okay, 1 over a to the fourth. If I was asked to write that so that there was no denominator and everything was in the numerator, I would bring the a to the fourth up, but make it a to the negative 4. So you notice that the sign of only the exponent changes if you move it from the numerator to the denominator or denominator to the numerator. So this one, if you look, there's 4 things going on. There's a 3, there's an x term, a y term, and a z term. So the 3, so I'm going to have things on the numerator and things in the denominator. The 3 is just 3 to the first power, and it's positive, and it just stays on the top. The x is a negative exponent, so that means its x goes on the bottom. Y to the fourth is already positive, it stays in the numerator, and z to the negative 2 means z goes down on the bottom and it's squared. This one, the 16 and the 4 are both raised to a negative 1. That means I flip both of them. The 16 to the first power goes on the bottom, and the 4 to the top, the first power goes to the top. And now I can simplify that because 4 over 16 is 1/4. So if there's all numbers or any kind of fraction, see if you can simplify that.